Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful condo in Vidi Condo in Santitham, which is only 5 minutes away from the Maya Mall. Let's go and check it out. Here is the living area, comes with the couch, the table, TV, and also the balcony. Here is the dining area, has 1 table and 2 chairs. Right here is the kitchen, comes with electric gas stove, induction fan, sink, and refrigerator. This condo has 42 square meters, comes with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Now let's go check out the bathroom. The bathroom, everything looks really nice. It comes with the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and also the shower. And here is the bedroom. It comes with the bed. You also have your own balcony over here and the closet. And we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or if you would like to know more information, please click at the link below or leave us a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!